Welcome all to Vectors class 4, and this basically will discuss about vector addition. There are two methods of vector addition. One is pictorial method of vector addition and another one is mathematical method of vector addition. So in the first part we'll discuss about pictorial method of vector addition. So in pictorial method of vector addition we are adding vectors by drawing diagrams. That means assume that we are having a vector, let's say a vector, and another vector, take it as b vector, and our aim is to add this a vector plus b vector. So what we'll do is we'll take this a vector and should not rotate this vector, or you can just keep this a vector over here so that we can say that this a vector and this a vector are equal. Now we can take this b vector in such a way that if you'd like to add a vector plus b vector, the tail of this b vector should be in contact with the head of a vector. Then we can just draw a vector which is starting from the tail of first vector to the head of last vector. So this vector will give the value of resultant vector, or you can write thus r vector will be equal to nothing but a vector plus b vector. So by using a scale or something, we can measure what about the length of r, that is giving the magnitude, and this arrowhead is representing the direction. Now by using this method, we can add more than one vectors also. Like if you are having a vector, let's say a vector, and another vector, take it as b vector, and one vector, take it as c vector, and a vector, take it as d vector. And our aim is to add all these vectors, and you can take it in any order. It's not necessary that first you should take a vector then b vector, like that. So if you are going to add all these four vectors by using this pictorial method, first we will take this a vector, and assume that I'm just keeping it over here, and now we'll take this b vector in such a way that tail of b should be in contact with the head of a vector. Now we can take this c vector, and again this tail of c is in contact with the head of b vector. Now we can take this d vector. I'm just taking this d vector, so we can keep these vectors over here. This is c vector and this is d vector. So basically we are adding a vector plus b vector plus c vector plus d vector. Now we can draw a vector which is starting from the tail of first vector to the head of last vector, will give the value of a resultant vector or r vector. Or you can write over here this r vector is equal to nothing but a vector plus b vector plus c vector plus d vector. So by using pictorial method, we can add two vectors or more than two vectors. So that you understood how to add vectors by using pictorial method. If you're having any doubt, or if you'd like to interact with me on live classes, or if you want to write online test for JEE Mains, Advanced or NEET, or if you want to solve more number of questions to improve your performance, please let me know. Thank you.